Prime time news this evening. New road, same traffic problems. So what can be done? Experts weigh in our prime time news in focus special report. Are the northern parishes ready for the boost expected from the Ian Fleming International Airport? And later, no need to worry. Public health experts give assurance on the eve of champs.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what is your reaction to news of a non-Jamaican group winning the Grammy Award for reggae? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.